Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandeep Raturi and in this video, I will show you how to ingest data into a Fabric Lakehouse using a data pipeline. First, we will understand what is data pipeline. In simple word, data pipeline helps you collect, process and transfer data from a source to a destination. Here you can see we have a lakehouse named LH_SR and we will be loading data into it. Our source will be a CSV file hosted on Microsoft's GitHub account. If you are not sure how to create a lakehouse, please check out my previous video. Now let's get started with the practical. Before we move further, let me show you where we will ingest our file in the lakehouse. First, open the lakehouse and you will notice there are two main folders, tables and files. Now under the files folder, we will create a subfolder and upload our source file there. So right click on the files folder and select new subfolder. Now provide the name to the subfolder. You can provide any name and after that click on create. So here you can see that sales subfolder has been created. Now we will create a pipeline. So for that you have two options. First, under the lakehouse, just click on get data drop down and here you can see that new data pipeline. And second option is go back to the workspace and here you can see that new item. Click here and after that you can search for the pipeline and here you will see the data pipeline option. So you can choose any one option to create a pipeline. After that, select the pipeline and provide the name to the pipeline. Load sales data from GitHub to Lakehouse. You can provide any name and after that click on create. Now click on pipeline activity and under move and transform select the copy data activity because we are copying the data from source to destination. Now provide the proper name to the copy data activity. Load data from GitHub to Lakehouse. After that click on source tab and here we will set up the connection with source. And as we know our source is GitHub, so here we will search for the GitHub data source. Here you can see that multiple data sources, but here we will search for GitHub. And if you notice here, for the GitHub we don't have any source. So instead of GitHub we will use HTTP because we have GitHub data source file URL. So you can copy this URL and go back to the lakehouse and here select the HTTP and here you can provide the GitHub source file URL. And here we don't need to provide any authentication because this is the public URL. So for the public URL you don't need to provide any credential detail here. So after that you can directly click on connect. And in the next step change the file format. It should be delimited text because if you notice here this is a CSV file. So that's the reason I selected file format delimited text. Now click on the destination tab and here we will set up the connection with destination. So for that click on the connection drop down and here our destination would be Lakehouse LH_SR. And if you don't have any Lakehouse, so you can click on more and here you can immediately create the Lakehouse. But in our case we already created a Lakehouse, so that's the reason it is showing here. So here we will directly select the Lakehouse lh_sr, and after that where you want to load your files under the tables or files. And if you remember, under the files folder we created one subfolder sales, so we will upload this file under that subfolder. So for that select the files and after that click on browse, and here you can see that sales subfolder, so select this and click on OK. And here you can provide the file name with extension sales.csv, and file format is fine, delimited text. So now we are done with source and destination steps. After that we will validate our copy activity. So before that click on save icon to save your work, and after that we will click on validate. And here you can see that there is no errors, your pipeline has been validated. So click on close button. Now before we run the activity, let me show you the sales subfolder. So click on workspace name and open the Lakehouse, and here you can see that sales folder, and under this folder we don't have any file as of now. So now go back to the workspace and open the pipeline, and now click on run. Here you can see that pipeline status is in progress. It will take seconds or minutes, depends on data volumes in the file. And now you can see here pipeline status is succeeded. So now we will check the data in the Lakehouse. Open the workspace, open the Lakehouse and select the sales subfolder. If you are not able to see the file, select the folder, click on three dot and click on refresh. Now you can see the sales file. If you want to see the preview of sales file data, so click on file name, and here you can see the sales data preview. I hope you now understand how to ingest data into a Lakehouse using a data pipeline. If you want to convert this file into a table, so for that simply click on three dot just next to the folder name, and here you can see that option load to tables in a new table or existing table. I have explained this process in detail in my previous video. You will find the link in the description below of this video. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more Power BI tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.